Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by Money Stocks. Today is Thursday, August 9th, 2018. My name's Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading up by about 3 points right now to 28.58 and a quarter per contract. All in all, futures are just up ever so slightly here. We've had a couple of days of sideways action with very, very light volume in the S&P. We are definitely looking at August volumes right now, so we'll see if things change. A little while ago, we had the PPI index that was really unchanged as well. So again, not a big deal there. But let's take a look at stocks in the news. We still have lots of earnings out here. We're going to start the night off with Roku. ROKU is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $53.08. It closed at $47.25. So that's a great pop there for Roku. When I look at the stock, have a little bit of trouble trying to find out where this thing wants to run to, just simply because it's only been around for about a year. So debuted in October of 2017 when they launched their IPO, and so it's a little bit tough. So give it the upside bias for now and trail your stop if you own it. If you don't own it, I would leave it alone. We'll look at this one in the intraday stock chat room, but Roku on the move this morning. Let's take a look at Yelp. I need somebody. Yelp, anybody. Okay, YELP is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at 44.40, closed at 38.16. This is quite a move for Yelp. There's a lot of resistance coming into play here around the $44 to $45, even $46. So great move for Yelp today. Again, if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone. I'm going to try to work out some gap levels for this one. But again, it's having a good move this morning. We want to respect it for the most part. But I'll see what I come up with. Maybe I'll have something before the opening bell. But again, already around this 44 to 45 level looks to be a very good amount of resistance coming into play. So just be aware of that. And again, if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone here at the moment. Let's take a look at NetEase. This is a Chinese ADR, NTES. The stock right now trading at $235.62, closed at $252.97. So this is a really good fall for NetEase. I think this goes down to the 209 level. I don't know if it gets there today, but again, the way the trajectory it's on, the sell-off that it's having, I have to think that 209, 210 area is in the card. So again, do not look at NetEase until it gets much lower. Let's take a look at Nuance Communications. NUAN is the ticker symbol here. The stock is trading at 16.11. They reported earnings, closed at 15.53. Give this one the upside bias to around 16.70, 16.75. That is it. Don't look for more upside than that. So there's still a little bit more to go, but as my calculation works out, right around 1665, 1675, somewhere in there, that's where this thing should hit a little bit of a wall of resistance. So get ready. We'll see how that plays out. Let's take a look at Jack in the Box. JACK is a ticker symbol there. Everybody knows a fast food restaurant. Right now, they're trading at $92 a share, closed at $85.85. So nice little pop there. Resistance for Jack in the Box today, 95.60. Keep that on the radar. 95.60 should be a very good resistance level for Jack in the Box. I should remind you though, Jack in the Box is a stock that rarely trades a million shares a day, so sometimes these levels can overshoot a little bit, but either way, that should be pretty solid resistance. Let's take a look at FLO, which is Flowserve. Stock right now is trading at $19.39, closed at $20.07. So this is down ticking a little bit. Still a fair amount of support around $19.25 to $19. I don't love the name here though, but nonetheless, that should be some support intraday. Let's take a look at Monster Beverage. MNST is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $59.30, closed at $59.40. So this is basically unchanged. It was all over the map, traded as high as 61 and as low as 57. Now trading back to the unchanged level. So we'll keep it on the radar. We'll see where that goes. Let's take a look at Seagate Technologies. STX is the ticker symbol here. This was downgraded today by Goldman Sachs. It's trading at $52.82, closed at $55.04. So good little haircut there. The only level I'm seeing for this stock is much lower. So I'll give that out in the intraday stock chat room if we need it. But again, it will be on my radar today. Let's take a look at Norwegian Cruise Line. NCLH is the ticker symbol here. Stock is popping after earnings. Right now it is trading at around 51.30, closed at 48.93. So good little move there for Norwegian Cruise Line. Keep this on the radar today. If this stock gets up to around 56.50, there will be very good resistance in play. I'm not sure, nor do I expect it to get there, but hey, you never know if it does. That's going to be a huge resistance level and an intraday shorting opportunity. Let's take a look at Booking. BKNG is the ticker symbol here. This is the old price line. Now they call themselves Booking Holdings. Stock is getting pounded. Closed yesterday at $2,045. Now trading at $1,889. Again, that's a pretty good haircut there for Booking. We'll keep it on the radar today. The only level that gets me interested, and again, this is a high price stock that is very thin. Rarely does it trade a million shares, so it can overshoot levels. Be around this 1860, 1850 level. I still think there's a lot of support there, so we'll see how that plays out. But again, this is a tough one to pick to the penny just because of its light volume nature. So we'll keep it on the radar. But again, right around that area, that could be a decent level of support today. Let's take a look at Cheniere Energy. Ticker symbol is LNG. Stock right now is trading at $60.50. Closed at $60.40. So really unchanged on the session. I have levels for this if we need them. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings in the intraday stock chat room. Let's take a look at Applied Materials. AMAT as it's known, AMAT. Stock right now is trading at $49. Closed at $50.18. This is looks like it was downgraded by Morgan Stanley. Looks like the whole semiconductor equipment group was downgraded by Morgan Stanley. So AMAT taking the brunt of that, down about $1 from its close. We'll keep it on the radar today. If this got down to around 45 and a quarter, $45.20, somewhere down there, I do think there's still a lot of support for the name at that area, so we'll keep it on the radar. Let's switch gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold is trading higher by a point here to $1,222 an ounce, and then you have crude oil getting a little bit of a bid after yesterday's shellacking. Crude oil trading up 23 cents to $67.17. So we'll see how that plays out. Looks like we have the U.S. dollar index stronger today, just up 14 cents. Not a big deal, but it is back to that 95 level. We'll be keeping that on the radar as well. Once again, if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had a great 2018. We have a lot in motion today. Hopefully we get some more good plays out here for you. And again, like I said, 2018 has been a stellar year, and we're going to look to keep that going really right into the end of December. With that being said, everybody have a great trading session, and we'll see you on the charts.